Hello guys, welcome back to RV5. Today we bring to you 5 exercises which everyone can do at home. With one single mat, no equipments are required. These all are body weight exercises everyone can do. We share with you how to do them and how many reps and sets you should do to get the best results. Just stick with these exercises for at least 21 days to feel the magic by yourself. So let's start with the best one. And wait, third one is my favorite. So stay tuned. Push-ups. Maybe the perfect exercise that builds both upper body and strengthens the core. In push-ups, all muscles are involved. Chest, shoulder, triceps, back, abs and even legs. Now learn how to do a perfect push-up. Get down on the floor, place your hands slightly wider than your shoulder, balance your body on all fours, both hands and both toes. Keep your body in a straight line. Inhale while going down, exhale while pushing your body back and repeat. Do 10 reps of 5 sets for first 3 weeks. Squats. Good for building lower muscles of legs. It involves the core strength as well. Squats strengthen the lower back and improve your stability. Start squat by putting your feet shoulder width apart and point about 15 degrees outward. Tense your core, look straight ahead and stand tall. Slowly bend your knees, go down in a straight line, do not lean forward and backward. Slowly return to starting position, keeping your core intact. Inhale as you go down, exhale as you return. Do 15 reps of 5 sets. Burpees is essentially a 2-part exercise, a push-up followed by a leap in the air. By doing 20 burpees, you can burn around 250 calories. A standard burpee helps in strengthening many muscles like shoulder, chest, arm, abdomen, buttocks and legs. Start in a squat position, back straight. Lower your hand in front of you. Kick your feet back to a push-up position. Do a push-up, then bring your feet towards your hand. Take a jump into the air so you land back where you start in a squat position and do another reps. Do 10 reps of 4 sets. Plank is the excellent core exercise. It works not only the core, plank also strengthens other abs muscles. It helps in improve body stability, core and forearm power. How to do it? Plant your hands under your shoulder like push-up and bend your arms at your elbow. So your body weight is now all 4, forearms and toe. Try to maintain straight line, tighten your abs, hold this position as long as you can. Try for 10 to 15 seconds in starting and increase day by day to 45 seconds. Lunges. A lunge is a single leg body weight exercise that works your hips, glutes, quads, hamstring, core and muscles of your inner thigh. Lunges can help you to develop lower body strength. Stand tall with feet hip width apart. Take a big step forward with right leg. Lower your body until right leg thigh is parallel to the floor and lightly touch left knee to the floor. Press into right heel to drive you back to a starting position. Repeat on the other side. Do 20 reps, 10 on each side for 4 sets. So guys, these was our top body weight exercises for you. As we said earlier, try to do them at least for 21 days. Hope you love the video. Hit the bell icon to get the notification when we upload a new video. Do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Are we fine?